Hey y'all, I was sent over this thermal printer. It says Inkless printer, more fast, more clear. It will print off of your phone and off of a tablet or even a computer. It'll hook up Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or through a USB port. We get it opened up and check it out. Really small. Comes with some paper here. Do a little sample print here in a moment. Your user manual, installation guide, USB-A to USB-C cord. Oh, it also has a 2400 milliamp battery. So it's supposed to last up to like 210 prints. So you ought to be able to get quite a bit of printing done. It's a nice little satiny fill-in case, kind of a velvet actually. Small enough to carry it in your laptop case or in your backpack. Also has a USB-A thumb drive here. So have your USB drivers on it for the computer. And here is the printer itself. Like I said, it's very small. This will accommodate the A4 and the A5 paper as well as the B5 paper. This thing is about 10.5 inches long by probably 2 5/8. And about 1.25 inches thick. Pretty small. Like I said, you can hook it up to your Bluetooth or to Wi-Fi. Nice looking little device here. Have our USB-C port. This will be to charge the battery and to connect it to your computer, and a reset button. Has a power button here. Let's see if we got any power. And we do. It's in standby mode. I got almost a full charge on it. That's nice. We're going to go ahead and download the app for our phone and print out a little test paper. It's the SoPrint app. You can find it in Google Play or the App Store. And like I said, if you're going to hook this up to your computer, you've got the drivers for it right here. Let's download the app and try it out. It'll be great for traveling. You just go to the search options and type in SoPrint app right there. Go down to where it says SoPrint and hit install. We'll get this installed. That is installing. We'll hit open. This is the F8 one, so we will click on that. Single paper, suitable for single sheets of paper. This will click have chosen. And there we go. That's how quick it was. You can print images, print from the web, print from a paint app on your phone or your device. Document print, you can print PDFs and Word documents. Scan print and print history. Graphics, mail, mine. You have a user manual here and a FAQ page. We'll go to home. We'll go up here and hit the little plus sign to add the printer while using the app. Yes. Allow SoPrint to find the connect to. Yes. There we go. And there it is. Now you can choose to connect Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. We're going to go ahead and connect Wi-Fi. Start connection. Hit pair. Now it's connecting. We'll turn on our printer. It is on. And you will connect to your Wi-Fi if you're going to do this Wi-Fi. This is flashing over here. And it is connected, and we are showing at 80%. Like I said, you can hook this up Bluetooth as well, so whichever you want to do it. So there we go. We're going to go ahead and open the paper up here and see if we can get it to print. We will find out. So far, it's been really simple. Like I said, you can hook it up Bluetooth if you want. I may not be right beside this when I need to print. I may have it sitting in here and I'm in there in the office, or vice versa. Now this does have a smooth, shiny side. That is the side you're going to put down because it's going to print on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. I don't know if you could hear that or not, but it made a little bzzz, and it's pulling the paper in just a little bit. We're going to find something here on the phone to print. We'll just find out. Okay, we have selected our printer. We're going to hit print. We're just going to print one page, so we will just do that. You can select your density, set your margins, leave this as is, and hit print. Okay, I'm seeing one thing right now. You want to make sure that that paper is in there straight, because you are going to come out with a mess. It's getting all crinkled up, so make sure you get it in there straight. But there it is. Printed it out, but like I said, make sure you get it in there straight. Try one more and see if we can get it straight. Shiny side down. Continue. Yeah, that's going much better. As you can see, printing it no problem. So make sure you have your paper in there good and straight. Now I know it says printing 2 of 4. We don't need to print 4 pages. This was just kind of to see how well it works. And remember, it does print in black and white, so if you're not going to get color prints, that looks really good, y'all. You can read the text really well. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. Really good print. Not a problem at all. Let me picture of that so you can see it a little better. Really nice little printer. What I really like about it is the size of it. That is nice, y'all. Has the standby right here. And like I said, you can hook it up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or through the USB port into the computer. You just have to install the driver. So definitely a nice little printer. It opens up if you need to kind of wipe it out for any reason. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order your very own. And if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you would like. I'd really appreciate that. So there it is, nice little thermal printer. Small, compact, gets the job done. Thumbs up, I like it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.